In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Online Accountant. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel much more comfortable finding your way around the main areas you'll use every day. Let's start with the left side navigation bar, because this is really your main control center in QuickBooks Online Accountant. When you log in, you'll notice a vertical menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll access key areas like your clients, bookkeeping, reports, and taxes. Think of it as your main menu. If you ever feel lost, this is usually where you'll come back to. You can also customize how this menu appears. At the top of the left navigation bar, you'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. Clicking this will collapse or expand the menu. When it's collapsed, you'll just see icons, which gives you a bit more screen space. When it's expanded, you'll see the full labels for each section, which can be helpful when you're still learning where everything is. It's a good idea to keep it expanded at first until you're familiar with the layout. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen for the QuickBooks Accountant icon. This acts as your home button. Anytime you're working inside a specific client's file and you want to go back to your overall client list, just click this icon. This saves you from having to backtrack through multiple pages. As you work with more clients, this becomes one of the quickest ways to jump between files and return to your main dashboard. Now move your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings area. When you click it, you'll see options for company settings, user management, your chart of accounts, and several other tools. Whenever you need to change how something is set up, like adding a new user, adjusting company details, or reviewing the chart of accounts, this is where you'll go. It's a good habit to take a moment and explore these options so you know what's available to you before you need it urgently. Finally, in the left menu, you'll see the plus or create button. This is your shortcut for adding new items. Use it to quickly create new transactions such as invoices and expenses, or to start new projects and other entries. Instead of clicking around through different sections to find where to add something, you can simply open this button, choose what you want to create, and get it done in one place. That's the core navigation of QuickBooks Online Accountant: the left side menu, the Accountant home icon, the gear settings, and the Create button. Master these and you'll move through the software much more efficiently.